Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom roll updated. Start by cleaning and finely chopping mushrooms, then sauté with shallots until moisture evaporates. Mix in breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, soy sauce, and herbs, tasting for balance. Chill the filling briefly to firm up, then roll it inside puff pastry on a floured surface, sealing edges tightly before brushing with egg wash for a golden finish. I recommend cooking the mushrooms slowly to develop deep flavor and avoid soggy texture in your roll. Use medium heat and let the pan do the work until the moisture is gone, then cool the mixture slightly so the binding egg does not scramble. Add breadcrumbs gradually to reach a firm, spreadable texture, tasting and adjusting seasoning. Keep the filling compact to prevent gaps and ensure even slices when baked. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanups effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so crumbs from your mushroom roll disappear almost as fast as you slice. It's a handy helper for busy cooks who want less cleanup time and more time tasting. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the mushroom roll on the middle rack so the bottom cooks evenly and the pastry puffs beautifully. Rotate the tray halfway through baking for uniform color and watch the edges to avoid overbrowning. Resting the roll after baking helps the filling set and makes slicing clean, so resist cutting too early. Serve warm with a tangy dipping sauce or a light salad to balance the richness and enjoy every comforting bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.